Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So the unboxing I'm going to do today is new to my channel, but not new to my household, okay? So I had been looking for new boxes on Cratejoy that I was interested in. And this one I came across and it was very interesting to me because I keep seeing different perfume subscriptions. And I guess I keep wanting to get them because who doesn't love smell goods, first of all? But what keeps stopping me from getting them is like I can't put into reason into my mind paying this much, like getting this size perfume for the price that they charge. Even though it's not a lot that they charge, it just still doesn't make sense per ounce or whatever what they're charging. So anyway, so I was looking around and I was on Cratejoy and I came across another subscription that had to do with perfume, but not just perfume. They have all types of smell goods, okay? So I'm like, let me go ahead and sign up and let me test it out for a couple of months and see what I think before I show it on my channel, because I don't want to show you guys just because it's Cratejoy. I'd rather be able to say, yes, I've gotten this. Yes, I've tried it. Yes, I like it. Now let me show it to you. So that's what I did this go around. So I got this box September, October, and then November came in, okay? So I'm going to show you November, but the way this box works is this company makes their own perfumes. So to me, they're able to give you more for a better, reasonable price, but the scents are amazing, okay? And I don't know. I highly recommend it, but that's me. I'm not trying to pressure y'all into anything. I'm just reporting the news, giving you my review. So this is November, and I like that. Another thing this company does is they each month has a theme, just like subscription boxes normally do. But like for instance, y'all know I like Halloween. I love the month of October. So October's box was like called Witch's Brew, right? So the items they gave me in October all were like an item that would be in a witch's brew. So it was like frog's breath or different random things. So it's like you have fun with it. So like to have a perfume or whatever it was, because they gave me 4 different items. So it could be a balm that makes you smell good. It could be a roller ball. They have the spray perfume. This company has incense. They have bath bombs. Like, you never know what you're going to get. You wait and see what the 4 items are that they choose. And I really like that, but it's always going to go with the theme that they pick for that month. And the scents that they choose will not be the same. So you're not going to get 4 items and it's all going to be frog's breath, you know what I mean? It'll all be items, 4 different scents, but they're meant to complement each other for that season or for that month or whatever. And so I really like that they put the thought into it. And I think it's just a fun subscription. So I've rambled enough, but I just wanted you guys to know it is $29 a month. But again, you get 4 items. 4. I think if they say 3 to 4 on their website. I've always gotten 4, but it could be 3 to 4. I'm guessing if you get 3, it's going to be 3 really big ones. So anyway, but right now on Cratejoy, there is a sale. So I will put the link below, like if you want to sign up. The longer you sign up, obviously, like month to month is $29. But if you go higher, like the 3-month, the 6-month, or the 12-month, then the amount you would pay per month gets cheaper. So I will say that. But there is a code right now, and I will link it below. And it'll save you 10 months, oh my gosh, 10% off your first subscription. So at least we can save you a little bit right now. I think it's worth it, and it's worth checking out. And ladies, I just want to say, this might be something to ask for Christmas. Like, lean over to your loved one, to your boo thing, and be like, hey, can you sign me up for this subscription for the next 3 months, 6 months, year, whatever, because it's worth it. You're going to have smell goods. You'll have stuff for your house, for your body. You know what I mean? It's win-win for your loved one and win-win for you. So let's see what November is about. So this is the card for November. Okay. Also, I will tell you, November, I looked on the website right before right before doing this review and start hitting record. They only have 12 boxes left for November. So we'll see how November looks and I'll let you know how it smells, give you my honest opinion, and let you know if you should jump on it. Okay, so it says Wicked Good. That's the name of the subscription, Wicked Good. Consciously crafted fragrances that celebrate wild freedom, rebellious spirits, and fierce dreamers. Notice that autumn is more the season of the soul than of nature. November box review contest. Enter to win a $50 Wicked Good gift card. If you love your Wicked Good box, your big smile could win your free Wicked Goodness. And then it tells you how to enter. Okay, let's see. So, all right. So the theme this month is sweater weather, which is totally appropriate. And like I said, last month was Witch's Brew, which is totally appropriate for October. I can't remember what September's was. But either way, this is a cute subscription, guys. So I'm just going to pull out what I see. I actually got a bath bomb. I got a bath bomb this time. This is my first time getting one. And this is a big old bath bomb. So this is orange. That smells good. Let's see. The bath bomb, pumpkin spice. Pumpkin spice bath bomb. That's nice. And then they always tell you what they put in it, which I really like. So it's heirloom pumpkin, clove, nutmeg, and cinnamon sugar. And if you were to buy this from their website, it's $6, which is about right for a bath bomb. I mean, it's heavy. That's a good bath bomb. I can't wait to try it out because y'all know not all bath bombs are made alike. Like the ones I buy at Walmart suck. Like the color just, for some reason, never comes out. They smell good, but you don't get all the colors like you should in a bath bomb. All right, so here's the next item. What are you? This is what it looks like. Incense. So I haven't gotten incense yet. So they've switched it up on me completely. So I've gotten balm and stuff like this, and then you rub it on. It smells so good. Okay, so incense. And the incense is called Harvest Moon, and it has fig, lavender, neroli, sandalwood, cassia, cypress, and cinnamon. And if you were to buy this on their website, it's $10. All right, so let me open this up. I was expecting if I ever got incense for it to be the long stick ones. Oh, it's the cone ones. Cool. There's a whole bunch in here. Whew. That is it smells good, but it packs a punch. Like you can smell, it's like a strong, earthy, but clove scent. I don't know, is that clove that was in it? Maybe it's the cinnamon. I don't know what it is. But it's strong. Like, having them all together in one thing is like, whew. It's definitely not that, clean scent. It's what is it called? It's not herbal. Is it herbal? Spice. It's that strong spice scent. So I think splitting these up and, burning one at a time will smell amazing in your house. But you can tell they have the scent is strong, and it's really going to smell up your house. But in a good way. Where did I put the lid? But yeah, they gave me a whole bunch. That's cool. All right. So now I have incense by them. This is why I like this subscription. It's very different. It's not just the perfume. You get different stuff. Okay, so the next thing is perfume. So it's a perfume oil roller. And the scent is apple cider. Okay. And it's aged bourbon, red Macintosh apple, cinnamon stick, and clove bud. Okay, so that's what this guy looks like. And that's a nice size bottle. For a freaking roll-on, guys, that'll last me for a long time. It's full, okay. I was trying to see, does it say? Yeah, it's 0.33 fluid ounce, 10 milliliters. That's a lot in there. But the subscriptions I keep seeing that have perfume, I'm trying not to be shady, but that have perfume, it's usually smaller than this, and that's all you get every month. And so I'm just like, I want something a little bit bigger. Oh my God, let me roll it on. Oh my God. This is hands down my favorite. My favorite. Of all 3 months, this is my favorite scent. Like, nobody better borrow this in my house. I'm hiding it. Oh, I smell like apple cinnamon. Like, holy crap, that smells good. Okay, so let me see what's next. So if you were to buy that from their website, it's $18 for their oil rollers, which you get a lot in there. So, and then next and last item is Perfume Absolute. Okay, and the scent they chose is Sweater Weather. Okay, and it has fresh sage, juniper berry, aromatic eucalyptus, and fresh woods. And if you were to buy this on their website, it's $29. So look at how much you get. And this is perfume, like a spray perfume. So let me spray this guy. Oh my God. Yes. This is my favorite month, hands down, guys. And last month, I got nothing but like stuff to put on my body to smell good, and I was really happy about that. Even though this month has a bath bomb and incense, just these 2 smells alone make it worth it to me. But I am very happy for the bath bomb. This incense is super strong, so I'm telling you my honest opinion. This is super strong. So I'm just kind of like, ooh, because I'm smelling it like all together. But I think if I burn like one by itself, it'll be fine. But I am telling you, if you get November and you smell this, you'll see what I mean. You're going to be like, holy crap, that's strong. But even if it's just for these 3 alone and that one ends up being a fail, I don't think it will, but just saying, if it does, I think it's totally worth it. And like I said, I'll drop the code to save you 10% off if you're interested. But I love this box. Again, this is my 3rd month getting it. I just wanted to give it a fair try it behind the scenes, see what I thought. My man loves the smell, so that's a plus. And this is the best month yet, so he's got a pleasant surprise waiting for him because I'm going to smell good. But yeah, these 2 are, ugh. If a perfume bottled this up, I mean, they did, but I'm saying a company, this would probably be my favorite. These 2 would be like my favorite perfumes. So anyways, that is my honest review, guys. If you were interested or you want it as a Christmas gift, I am linking it down below. I am putting the code to save 10% off. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope you do hit the subscribe button. I hope everybody hits the thumbs up button. And please comment below. Tell me what you think. Do you like this subscription? Have you had it before? Are you going to sign up? It's amazing. I love smell goods, and this is amazing, and it's definitely worth the money. And yeah. So till next time, guys, don't forget you can't spell original without Gina. I'll see you in the next video. Mwah! Love you.